How to do diagonal lateral walk, mini band above knees, step by step. 1. Set up the band. Place a mini resistance band just above your knees. Stand with feet hip width apart. 2. Athletic stance. Slightly bend your knees, mini squat. Push hips back a little, like a shallow squat. Keep chest up and core tight. 3. Create tension. Gently press your knees outward against the band. This activates your glutes before you move. 4. Step diagonally forward. Step 1 foot forward and out at a 45-degree angle. Keep tension in the band. Don't let knees collapse inward. 5. Follow with the other foot. Bring the trailing foot forward diagonally, same direction. Maintain spacing. Don't let feet come too close. 6. Continue walking. Take 8-12 steps forward diagonally, then switch direction, other diagonal. 7. Control your posture. Stay low the entire time. Avoid bouncing up and down. Muscles working. Primary, main muscles. Gluteus medius, side glutes, main stabilizer. Gluteus maximus, power and hip extension. Secondary, supporting muscles. Quadriceps, maintain squat position. Hamstrings, assist hip control. Hip abductors, keep knees pushed outward. Core, abs and obliques, balance and stability. Calves, assist stepping control. Benefits. 1. Builds strong side glutes. Helps create that lifted, rounded hip shape. 2. Improves knee stability. Trains knees to stay aligned, great for injury prevention. 3. Enhances balance and coordination. Diagonal movement mimics real-life motion patterns. 4. Activates glutes before workouts. Perfect warm-up before squats, lunges, or deadlifts. 5. Helps prevent knee valgus, knees caving in. Important for runners and lifters. 6. Targets glutes more than straight walks. The diagonal angle increases muscle engagement. Variations. 1. Backward diagonal walk. Step diagonally backward instead of forward. More glute and hamstring activation. 2. Lower squat version. Stay in a deeper squat while walking. Increases intensity for glutes and quads. 13. Ankle-Band-Version. Place band around ankles instead of knees. Harder, requires more control and tension. 4. Pause step version. Pause 2 to 3 seconds on each step. Improves control and muscle activation. Number 5. Diagonal plus lateral combo. Do 2 diagonal steps, 2 side steps. Full glute activation from multiple angles. 6. Weighted version. Hold dumbbells or wear a weighted vest. Add strength challenge. 7. Mini pulse walk. Add a small pulse, mini squat bounce, before each step. Burns glutes faster. Pro tips important? Keep constant tension on the band. Don't let it slack. Knees should always track outward, not inward. Move slow and controlled, not fast. Stay low. Don't stand up between steps. Think. Push the ground away with your glutes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more workout.